Welcome to Times of Avishkaar. I'm Nandini Bhala and today I bring to you some positive news from around the world. One-armed drummer is now the fastest thanks to the new robotic arm that makes him able. Jason Barnes, also known as the Bionic Drummer, lost his arm in an electrical accident. He feared that for the rest of his life, he would never follow his heart and his passion of playing drums. But he was determined to beat the odds. He innovated for himself a custom prosthetic that would fit comfortably around his amputation and carried a special mount with springs that mount the drumstick. The springs allowed him to rock the drumstick up and down, similar to a natural drummer's grip technique. He was then helped by Gil Weinberg of Georgia Tech School of Music to build him an arm that allowed him to play 2,400 drum hits in a minute, a world record. With passion and determination, Jason literally built himself a new life and went after the solution himself. This truly helps the world of human augmentation and is one of the many steps that bridges the gap between human and machine technology. Advanced technology is being used to save the environment in unique ways. For the first time, NASA launched a rocket into space which was recycled. NASA and SpaceX made history by propelling humans into space by an entirely reused rocket booster. SpaceX has previously used reused rocket boosters multiple times since 2017, but they only transported cargo. But this time, they used it to send the 4-astronaut team to the International Space Station. This will not only help with space pollution but also make space travel much cheaper in the future, making it possible for kids like you and me to spend our summer vacations on Moon in a few decades. "19-year-old entrepreneur Harsh Dalal is shaping Singapore into a smart nation with his startup company. Yes, you heard that right. A 19-year-old boy, just a teenager, started his own company called Team Labs, which has 4 software applications under it. The flagship product, Xenon, is designed to help developers build digital products in the cloud. Team Labs plans to relaunch the platform with AI software that integrates video calls and group chats. With a 120-employee team, the business is spread across 8 cities. The software development company's clients include Coca-Cola, Google, Hilton, and Channel News Asia. He started coding when he was in school and now has become the CEO of his own company, which raised USD 9.8 million in funding and is now valued USD 25 million. Looks like starting young really gives you a push in making it very big and successful in life. We at Avishkaar are always looking out for stories that are changing the world. So if you are looking for the same, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on the latest tech news. Click on the link in the description to watch more positive stories.